Hello and welcome to Civil Studios. Today we'll talk more about the user interface of Primavera P6 Professional. Now that you have successfully logged into P6, let's take a look at some basic features of the main user interface. You should be able to see three main windows on the current screen. In the upper left is the table window. As the name implies, here you will generally see a table containing information on specific items as defined by the columns that can be set by the user. For example, in this case, the view named as projects allows you to see various P6 projects organized in a tabular format. The columns currently configured show the project ID, project name, total activities, strategy priority, etc. of the particular project. By default, to the right of the default window is the Gantt chart. This is represented by a customized timescale at the top, followed by bars that represent the corresponding items or activities in the table window. These bars come in different shapes, sizes, and colors depending on the properties and status of the table items. These can also be customized by the user. At the bottom, you will find the detailed window. Here you will find further the details about the selected items from the table window and can see or modify these items or tabs. The tabs shown here are also customizable by the user. You can adjust the size of each of these windows by placing the cursor on the borders between the windows and clicking and dragging to your desired extent. You can also choose other views or windows displayed by going to View, Show on top, or Show on bottom. The options available to you will depend on the view you are currently into. For example, projects, activities, or resources, etc. Along the outer boundaries of the table, Gantt chart, and detail windows, you can see multiple buttons, each from a particular toolbar that has been set in place by default. All toolbars can be moved to your desired extension along the top, along the side, or you can pull them out as a floating toolbar. You can add or remove buttons along the toolbars by selecting Add or Remove buttons and selecting any button you want to remove or add. You can also customize which toolbars are shown by right-clicking on any toolbar area, selecting any particular toolbar name, or selecting Customize. The only toolbar you cannot remove is the main menu toolbar. This wraps up the main features of the P6 toolbars. We hope you will learn a lot from this video, and we recommend you to spend a lot more time understanding the user interface. Thank you very much.